Uh, Ever wonder what happens when the cameras stop rolling and the smiles fade? But um, sometimes behind the glitz and glamour of Hollywood, professional relationships turn sour, leading to legal battles between co-stars. It's a side of the entertainment industry rarely seen, but one filled with drama, accusations, and high stakes. Let's dive into some of the most shocking courtroom clashes between actors who once shared the screen. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's highly publicized legal battle stemmed from a defamation suit following allegations of abuse. Their relationship, which began on the set of The Rum Diary, ended in a whirlwind of accusations and a trial that captivated the world. The outcome left a lasting impact on both their careers and sparked conversations about accountability and truth. Uh, Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie's legal dispute centered around their shared winery in France. And after their split, uh, Pitt accused Jolie of selling her stake without his consent, violating a prior agreement. The case involved complex international legal issues and highlighted the difficulties of dividing assets in a high-profile divorce. James Woods took legal action against Sean Young after their work on The Boost, alleging harassment and stalking. Woods claimed Young engaged in disturbing behavior, creating a hostile environment, and the case served as a cautionary tale about the potential for professional relationships to turn personal and damaging. Jim Belushi sued his neighbor, and according to Jim guest star Julie Newmar, over a property dispute, Belushi claimed Newmar harassed him and interfered with his peaceful enjoyment of his home. The lawsuit, though eventually settled, showcased the tensions that can arise even between established professionals. Burt Reynolds engaged in a legal battle with his former wife and Stroker Ace co-star Lonnie Anderson during their divorce. Reynolds contested the terms of their prenuptial agreement and the division of their shared assets. The case was highly publicized and revealed the animosity between the former couple. Charlie Sheen pursued legal action against his former wife and Good Advice co-star Denise Richards, focusing on financial and custody issues. And their divorce was a protracted and public affair, with Sheen challenging the terms of their separation. The conflict played out extensively in the media. Paul Hogan sued his longtime creative partner and Crocodile Dundee co-star John Cornell over profit distribution. The dispute fractured a decades-long partnership, highlighting the importance of clear financial agreements in collaborative ventures. John Cleese faced legal complexities during his divorce from Faulty Towers. Co-star and co-creator Connie Booth, the dissolution of their marriage involved navigating the division of royalties and assets tied to their shared creative work. Kelsey Grammer engaged in a legal dispute with his former wife, Camille Grammer, who also appeared on his series Cheers. The case centered on the division of their extensive financial portfolio and future earnings. Tom Arnold sued his former wife and Roseanne co-star Roseanne Barr following their divorce, seeking a share of the profits from her production company. The case underscored the financial stakes involved in television collaborations. Kevin Costner took his former business partner and fellow actor Stephen Baldwin to court over a financial investment. The dispute centered on oil spill cleanup technology, with Costner defending his actions against Baldwin's claims. Stephen Baldwin filed a lawsuit against Kevin Costner, alleging he was misled about a business venture. Baldwin claimed Costner excluded him from a lucrative deal, but the jury ultimately sided with Costner. Lorenzo Lamas took legal action against his former wife and Renegade co-star Shauna Sand during their divorce. The case involved disputes over custody and the division of assets acquired during their careers. David Hasselhoff sued his former wife and Baywatch co-star Pamela Bach over financial support. Hasselhoff sought to reduce alimony payments, citing changes in his income. Alec Baldwin sued Lee Daniels after Daniels made comments comparing him to individuals accused of domestic violence. The case highlighted the legal consequences of making unsubstantiated claims about peers. Jean-Claude Van Damme faced a lawsuit from Frank Dux, who claimed he co-wrote the story for The Quest. The case involved, demonstrations of martial arts techniques and testimony about the film's production, but it might be tracking to do something that we have in character even different than this. The case was part of a larger scandal and resulted in a significant settlement for Hogan. Christopher Knight sued his former wife and My Fair Brady co-star Adrienne Curry to finalize their divorce. The case involved disputes over assets and the terms of their separation. Terrence Howard engaged in a legal battle with his former wife, Michelle Gent, alleging she was attempting to exploit his wealth. The case involved years of testimony and appeals. William Shatner sued various individuals over libelous statements, seeking to protect his reputation from WW. Shatner has been known to be protective of his name and image. George Kennedy sued the producers of a Concord Airport 79 over contract and billing disputes. Again, the case highlighted the importance of clear agreements in Hollywood, based on VIT. Larry Hagman sued the producers of Dallas over the unauthorized use of his likeness on merchandise. The case underscored the rights actors have over their image. And it's a reminder that even in the glamorous world of Hollywood, personal and professional conflicts can escalate into legal battles. These cases reveal the complex dynamics at play and the high stakes involved. Which of these legal battles surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,